Hey y'all, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. First update is that all the hats sold, which is so special and amazing, and I love all of you so much. I appreciate all of you endlessly. So yeah, Friday, it's Sunday, but Friday we sent all those out, but I only got a chance to do all the tracking info today. So if you got a hat, you probably got an email with some tracking info, which is super exciting. And thank you all so much for suggesting Pirate Ship. I feel like I said something about Pirate Ship last week as well, but all the shipping was as expected. It was exactly how Pirate Ship calculated it. I'm not using Pirate Ship to like print the labels and like buy the labels through them because I kind of wanted to like use them without, like, I kind of just use it to see what the shipping rates are. Somebody did say that they print their shipping labels onto just regular paper and then they tape them onto packages. I may start doing that. I was kind of just trying to like save up for a shipping label printer. I know they're not like extraordinarily expensive. I just have so many things moving right now. So, and there's a lot of, there's a big thing I'm trying to save for, and also, taxes. Taxes are here, everyone. We all hate it, and it's ridiculous and stupid. I always, try to save way more than I need to get through taxes and stuff, so I'm trying not to, like, buy anything right anyway. Some fantastic, wonderful, amazing, awesome, oh my goodness news is the cake rug has found a new home in New Zealand. How exciting is that? How cool is that my art is going to be in New Zealand? My art is going to be in New Zealand. That's just so cool. So if that was you, I'm so freaking excited for you to get your new rug, for you to see this cake rug. I cannot wait for you to see this rug. It is honestly, legitimately one of my favorite rugs I've ever made. I'm so excited. So we're going to be packing this up first. I already stamped the paper, and it's drying on my tufting frame back there. So what I want to do is give it a vacuum. Its final vacuum. I want to make sure it's pristine and perfect. And then we're going to roll it in some like cling wrap to make sure that it stays safe for its travels. Is there a rock? Here she is. Oh, it's so fantastic. Let's have one final look at all of the magical details of this rug. Look at it. Look at the carving. Look at the swirls of the frosting. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, look at it. I'm so excited to send this out. Oh my god, just look at it. It's ridiculous. Perfect. That was a fantastic sound. Oh shit. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. All packed. Easy. Alright, everything is just about ready. So I'm gonna roll this in the paper. Cute! I just love how this looks. I love like wrapping it in this paper. I love the full stamp look. Absolutely adorable. I love this. I love like the twine as well, because I just feel like it makes it feel like a parcel. I don't know why that word comes to mind, but adorable. Also stamped the box, and now it's dry. It's got some paper in it on the bottom. You're not seeing anything. It's just disappearing. Oh, I have to write the color. Alright. Where are you? Card is done. Fantastic. We're going to slide that in. And there it is. All taped up. All packaged up. I think that's just the card in there. It's ready to go. I'm so happy. Thank you again to whoever got this. I'm so happy and excited for you to see it, like, in person. Just needs its shipping label, but you don't need to be a part of that. So I think the next thing I wanted to do was hopefully finish carving the butterfly. So let's do that. Hey y'all, I'm pretty sure the next day. I kind of can't remember what you saw last, but I finished the butterfly rug. I think it's safe to say this is one of my most beautiful rugs, maybe one of my most, like, perfect carves. It came out spectacular. Like, the symmetry, the colors, it's such a happy, lovely rug. Look at it. Look at it, like, fly. Does that not, like, is that not so freaking special? Yeah, I don't know. I think this rug is, like, really, legitimately, completely, super, ultra special. There's something about it. Oh, I think it's just so special. So, now, we've got both rugs done. Pull her up really quick. Oh, also, well, I guess the person that bought it, but we did send out the cake rug this morning. So it's on its way to New Zealand, which I just think is so special. And I'm pretty sure that I have the shipping basically figured out. Actually, I already talked about this, didn't I? Pirate Ship has solved my problems, so I literally can't thank y'all enough for suggesting that. I probably already said that as well. I'm really sorry about that. It's, like, kind of saved me money already, because I just didn't know how to. I had a problem before. It was a big one and an expensive one, and I'm really happy. Some news about this, well, news, I don't know, an update about it maybe, is that it was once intended to be a pillow, but I did not. You need, like, a lot of extra tufting fabric along the entire edge to be able to, like, sew it to the back fabric of a pillow. And I just wasn't able to do that. I don't know if you'll be able to see how little of tufting fabric I left over for myself. So I think, honestly, weirdly, this piece gives me neon sign vibes, does it not? So I think I'm going to turn this into like a wall hanging, a tufted wall hanging, which I think is going to be, like, legitimately really, really cool. I've seen other tufters do wall hangings, and obviously I have that, like, bigger piece that's a wall hanging. But I think this is gonna be, like, really cute because, like I said, it's giving, like, neon sign, and I just think it's gonna be awesome. So I've already glued the edges. I think, honestly, I'm gonna do the carve on it now. Oh, it's so cute. I can't wait to see it, like, completely done. And then I have some hanging hardware. Huh? What? Let's say that again. Some hanging hardware. Yeah, okay, I'm pretty sure I said hardware. Sorry about that. For this. Coming in tomorrow. So we'll be able to finish it tomorrow, but I do want to get started on the carve. I kind of want to get the teeth out of the way because whenever I do skeletons and there's like really tiny teeth or tiny bones, I want to get it out of the way first because they scare me. Oh my gosh, I didn't even level this one. We have to do that first. Alright, we're all leveled. Also, if you're wondering why I'm not using my like carving level, it's because it doesn't fit my new carver. So I kind of have to find a solution for that. Although I am doing okay, but I know that I will eventually mess up in the future. So I do need to find something. Nice. Those are the teeth after carving. I think they look pretty good. Carving teeth is so scary, but I don't know why. I kind of like it. As long as you work like really slow and like focus, like really zero in, and just do like little micro, you know, sections. You don't like carve the entire line. Just do like little cut and then wipe it away, see where you're at, cut, and you know what I mean? I feel like whenever I mess up, it's because I just like kept going in a line rather than doing like little sections, like wipe away, do a little bit more, wipe away. I at least around like tiny little, you know, details like that, or even bigger details. I'm basically talking about anything that isn't like a nice straight line. Even straight lines. Anyway, I was asked recently on Instagram how I got so like comfortable with carving and that they keep getting like paralyzed and they're afraid to like ruin the piece. And they asked me if I ever messed up before and like how I just got to be able to like carve into my work after doing so many hours of like tufting it and backing it and everything like that, which is a fantastic question. And it kind of made me think about Patreon again. I think we've talked about Patreon before. I've never actually honed in on one craft, like one art form like I am now with like, I'm a tufter. I'm a tufting artist. And so, I don't know, I was kind of like reconsidering it because to me, Patreon is for like, if I made a whole video showing you in detail, like kind of more of the teaching style of videos and showed how to carve a rug or do like very small details and things like that. So I was kind of considering doing Patreon for that. It could be cool. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this studio vlog here. I literally wear a mask when I carve, but there's still always, it's like when I take my mask off, it just gets everywhere. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. It really helps out my channel. For some reason, my channel right now feels like it's just being smushed to the bottom of the barrel. So any kind of engagement is really, really helpful and appreciated. You can also follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. By the way, if you're like, girl, what happened to streaming again? Very quickly, Sean and I are thinking of doing, well, we're thinking of doing are making kind of like a big change in our like personal lives, and it is not children. It will never be kids for me, just saying. But yeah, no, it will. We're kind of considering changing a thing, and it's a pretty big one, and it would affect things. So I think we're waiting to have a more definitive, I'm waiting for a more definitive thing, possibly the change to happen to start the stream. I didn't mean to make that sound so dramatic and weird. I'll obviously tell y'all more when I know more for a fact. That's what happened with the stream. It is still very much go. It's just, I want to start with the right thing. I want to start the right way. Anyway, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Look at stubby fingers without my nails.